We all need dinner recipes that everyone will love and turn out great every single time. And today we are making one of those recipes. Chicken cacciatore is what's on the menu, so let's go ahead and get started. So this recipe is actually one of my favorite recipes from childhood growing up that my mom would make all the time, and actually one of the ones that she made me a copy of when I moved out on my own in college in my first townhome. So this recipe is extra special to me. To start, we will need boneless, skinless chicken breast, and we're just gonna sprinkle some salt and pepper on both sides and then lightly dredge them in flour. Then you're gonna heat up a Dutch oven over medium-high heat, add some olive oil, and saute the chicken breast on each side for 4 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. After they're done, remove them from the Dutch oven and place them on a plate lined with paper towels. Add 1 large onion that has been chopped and 4 garlic cloves that have been minced to the Dutch oven and saute over medium heat for 5 minutes. Once that's finished, you're gonna add a half a pound of fresh mushrooms that have been sliced. Then we're just gonna add the remaining ingredients, which are 32 ounces of canned whole tomatoes, 1 4-ounce jar of pimentos, a half a cup of vermouth, 3 bay leaves, a teaspoon of dried thyme, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Stir it all together, add the chicken back in, and then bring to a boil. Once it's come to a boil, reduce the heat to simmer and cook uncovered for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally as needed. After the 30 minutes is up, you're gonna add 2 green bell peppers that have been thinly sliced, add that to the mixture on the stove, stir it all together, and then cook for an additional 30 minutes. Once the hour is up, the chicken cacciatore is gonna be reduced down a little bit and is gonna be smelling delicious. You're gonna remove those 3 bay leaves and then serve this over some hot spaghetti. This is gonna be a family favorite and a tried and true recipe that you know every time you make it, it's gonna be a big hit. For the full recipe, head on over to KentuckyLiving.com. The whole recipe plus so many other delicious dinner recipes for your family will be over there. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today, and until next time, I will talk to you all very soon. Bye.